Potential regime change in Iran and its impact on Iranian immigration to Canada. The political landscape in Iran has been tense for decades, with protests and unrest fueling speculation about regime change. This shift could profoundly affect Iranian nationals abroad, especially those seeking refuge in Canada. Let's explore the implications of a regime change on Iranian immigrants and refugees in Canada. Many Iranians have fled due to political persecution, religious or ethnic minority status, or activism against the government. Under the Immigration and Refugee Protection Act, individuals facing persecution can seek refugee status in Canada. A significant number of Iranian refugees base their claims on threats from the current regime. If the regime changes, how might threat assessments change for these refugees? Claims based solely on threats from the old regime may be considered invalid after a regime change. However, broader threats related to ethnic or religious persecution may still persist. Canada's response will depend on the specifics of the regime change and the security environment. Authorities will likely reevaluate pending and approved refugee claims on a case-by-case basis. They may impose stricter evidence requirements to verify ongoing threats in the new political context. Canada will prioritize protecting vulnerable populations facing continued threats, regardless of regime changes. Legal frameworks like the Immigration and Refugee Protection Act provide the basis for these actions. The government will need to balance security considerations with humanitarian commitments under international law. Determining the credibility of threats from the old regime will be complex and require careful analysis. Claimants may challenge revocations, asserting ongoing threats, especially minorities and dissidents. Canada may need to establish specialized humanitarian pathways for those facing ongoing risks. The potential regime change in Iran represents a significant turning point for Iranian refugees in Canada. While Canada remains committed to protecting those with legitimate threats, the legal landscape will shift. Existing cases based solely on threats from the old regime may require reevaluation or revocation. Claims rooted in societal or ethnic persecution could continue to warrant protection if risks persist. In conclusion, Iranian refugees should stay informed about policy developments and collaborate with experienced immigration professionals. You can easily connect with licensed professionals through bestvisa.ca, where you can choose from a variety of experts and even have multiple free consultations with them. Use the bestvisa.ca platform to receive offers from licensed professionals. If you accept an offer, a contract will be generated, and you can securely make the payment through the bestvisa.ca portal. We supervise the professional you choose and enter into a contract with, ensuring that you receive unique and flawless service from our experienced practitioners. Visit bestvisa.ca today and start your immigration journey safely and securely. Don't forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe for more updates. Thank you for watching.